This video will look at earth-moving equipment, from skid steers to post hole diggers, and the projects for which each machine is best suited. We're going to look at 5 types of earth-moving equipment: skid steers, mini loaders, excavators, post hole diggers, and dumpers. The skid steer gets its name from the way it moves. It turns by activating the wheels or tracks on one side only, which drags the other side around in a circle. This means a skid steer is not ideal for your croquet pitch. It will tear the lawn up. Like its smaller cousin, the mini loader, skid steers come with wheels or tracks. Mini loaders are great for small jobs. You can add attachments such as a post hole borer or a trench digger. Skid steers and mini loaders are earth movers, not excavators. Excavators are used for digging, whether it's a foundation for a building or excavating a backyard pool. For projects like pools or drains, a 1.8-ton mini excavator will do the job, but there are machines up to 8 tons with a digging depth of 4.6 meters. Remember, you need a way of removing the soil once it's excavated. Dumpers are skips on wheels, moving earth from the excavation site. Last but not least are post hole diggers. They range from single operator sizes to ones mounted on frames or attached to mini loaders. Be sure to ask the advice of your local Kennards hire staff when choosing a machine for your next project. While operating machinery, we recommend using the necessary safety gear, all of which every Kennards hire branch has in stock. Follow all safety instructions Kennards hire staff give you, and always refer to the operator's instructions before operating. Instructions are available on the Kennards Hire website or ask at your branch.
Kennards make your job easy.